Good morning, everybody. Andrew here, SoCal Tesla Runs. This morning we're headed down to Temecula to go to our friends at Empire Custom Wraps. So as you know, we got the rear glass replaced. We got it re-tinted at Technic Auto Spa. Now we got to head over to Temecula at Empire Custom Wraps because they're going to put a custom decal for me like I had previously on my rear glass where it says SoCal Tesla Runs. My dad is coming with me today. I'm fortunate enough to have my dad still here with me, so we're going to be going together, and then from there we're going to stop at maybe a winery, grab a glass of wine, chill, relax a little bit, and then we can head back. Okay, so we were driving on our way to Temecula. We should be there maybe in about 15 minutes or so, and we discovered this Tesla charging here at the Courtyard by Marriott in Murrieta. Check it out. Okay, so we made it here to Empire Custom Wraps. Sorry about the wind, the road noise. I'm sorry. It's located right here next to the freeway. But yeah, Davey and Natasha, the owners here, they do an excellent job. They're gonna pull in my car into the back right now and get started on it. They do have a Cybertruck inside that they're working on. It's a Cyber Beast. It belongs to Brian, OG Cyber Odyssey. A little bit of a sneak peek, I guess, coming. So I'll be showing you guys his truck shortly. And yeah, here we go. Let's get started. Alright, so we're all done. We got the new decal put on. Much better than before. Super cool. Sweet. Okay, so my dad and I just got to Altisima Winery here in Temecula. We are going to grab something to eat and also a glass of wine. Stay tuned. So this is cool. You can stand behind it and get a picture. So we're here at Altisima Winery. Just gonna walk through a little bit and show you guys the vibes here. It's the seating area, the restaurant. They got the water misters on. It's nice. And this 85-degree heat comes in handy, you know? Okay, so let's walk away a little bit from the crowd and the loudness. I figured while I'm waiting for my glass of wine, show you guys the winery here. The cafe and the seating area. This is pretty cool. It's a nice place. So we're here at Altisima. Like it. I've been here a couple times. I've been here once with my girlfriend Christina, and now I'm here with my dad. He is chilling at the table now while we wait for our drinks and our food and appetizers. Just thought I should show you guys a little bit of the winery. Weather's nice. There's a nice breeze. It's about maybe 83, 84 degrees. The view is nice too. There's a couple of wineries out that way. Looks like they're building over there. Well, it's Temecula. So we're gonna grab some food, have a glass of wine, chill for a bit, and then head out. Alright guys, so that's it. We left Temecula. We are maybe about 2 hours away from Pasadena. We're going to stop there and charge. Currently I'm at 50% state of charge. I'll make it to Pasadena with about 18. So I wanted to make it home, but I need to stop at Pasadena to charge. But yeah, overall a great day. Got to see the guys at Empire Custom Wraps. A buddy of mine, Noel, also stopped by. And yeah, good day spending it with my dad. Went to a winery, had some food, glass of wine, and now we're on our way back. So if you like this video, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell icon so you get notified the next time I upload another video. If you like to see more of this content, please hit the like button. Leave a comment down below what you thought about today's drive. And you can also follow me on Instagram as well, SoCal_Tesla Runs. And I'll see you guys on the next one.